2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, CD player, passenger airbag, power door locks, MP3 player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.